How to manage browsing settings on UC browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to UC browser. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on those three lines and go here, click on the settings option. Click on this little icon and here you go. Now on this page you will find many settings options. Click on browsing settings. Now right here you can manage all your browsing settings. You have many options as you can see: image quality, tab view, preload page, text only, animation, show status bar, typing assistant, links, website preferences, scroll options, and as I said, there is many options that you can enable and disable as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.